You bought wide leg pants, you tried them on, and something just felt off. Here's the truth, it's not the pants, it's not your body. It's one simple styling mistake that 90% of women over 50 make without even realizing it. And once you fix it, everything changes. So, what is this mistake that's sabotaging your wide leg pants? It's wearing them with the wrong top. I know, it sounds simple, almost too simple. But stay with me because this changes everything. When you wear wide pants, you're adding volume to the lower half of your body. That's not a bad thing. In fact, it can be incredibly elegant and flattering. But here's where most women go wrong. They pair that volume with loose, flowing, or oversized tops. Volume on top, volume on bottom. And suddenly, you've lost your shape completely. At 50 plus, we're not trying to hide our bodies. We're not trying to disappear into our clothes. We want to look polished, put together, and yes, stylish. The solution? Balance. When you wear wide pants, your top needs to define your shape, not add to the volume. This creates a beautiful silhouette that's both comfortable and chic. Now, you might be wondering, why do so many of us make this mistake? Because everything we see in stores and online seems to suggest that comfort means oversized. Flowy tops, relaxed fits, loose silhouettes, and yes, those pieces are comfortable. But comfort doesn't have to mean shapeless. Plus, many of us have been told for years to hide certain parts of our bodies, to cover up, to play it safe with bigger sizes. So when we see wide leg pants, our instinct is to balance them with something equally loose on top. But here's what fashion experts know. The most flattering outfits create contrast. They show your waist. They define your shape. This isn't about looking younger or fitting into some trend. It's about looking like the best, most polished version of yourself. And that starts with understanding balance. So let's talk about what actually works. The best tops to wear with wide leg pants are the ones that create definition. Think fitted, tucked, or cropped. These styles show your waist and create that balanced silhouette we're looking for. A tucked-in blouse is your best friend here. It doesn't have to be skin tight, just gently fitted through the body and tucked into the waistband. This instantly creates shape and makes your legs look longer. Crop tops work beautifully too, especially if your wide pants sit at your natural waist. The key is hitting right at the waistline, not too high, not too low. And if you love layering, try a fitted blazer or structured jacket over a simple top. The structure on top balances the flow on the bottom, and you look instantly polished. What you want to avoid are tunic-length tops, oversized sweaters, or anything that completely covers your waistband. These hide your shape and make wide pants look overwhelming instead of elegant. Now let's talk about the other factors that make or break wide leg pants. Because getting the top right is crucial. But there are a few more things that matter. First, the length. Your wide leg pants should either gently graze the top of your shoes or stop right at your ankle bone. Too long and they drag on the ground, making you look shorter and creating a sloppy appearance. Too short and they cut off your leg line awkwardly. Second, the fabric. Choose fabrics that drape and move with you. Think crepe, tencel, or soft linen. Avoid stiff, heavy materials that add bulk. The right fabric flows gracefully and flatters your shape instead of fighting it. And third, the shoes. This is important. Wide leg pants need a shoe with some height or a pointed toe to elongate your legs. Block heels, kitten heels, pointed flats, or sleek low wedges all work beautifully. Chunky sneakers or heavy shoes can weigh down the entire look. Let me give you some quick styling formulas that work every single time. Formula 1, wide leg trousers, fitted turtleneck, block heels. This is effortlessly chic for cooler weather. The fitted top balances the volume, and the turtleneck adds sophistication. Formula 2, wide leg pants, tucked in button-down shirt, pointed flats. Classic, polished, and perfect for everyday wear. You can dress this up with jewelry or keep it simple. Formula 3. Wide leg pants, cropped knit top, low wedges. Great for casual outings or travel. Comfortable but intentional. Formula 4. Wide leg trousers, fitted blazer over a simple tank, heeled sandals. This takes you straight into elegant evening territory without trying too hard. The beauty of these formulas is that once you understand the principle of balance, you can mix and match with pieces you already own. You don't need a whole new wardrobe. You just need to style what you have differently. Beyond the top you choose, there are a few other mistakes I see women make with wide leg pants that are worth mentioning. One of the biggest is choosing pants that are too wide. Yes, they're called wide leg pants, but there's a difference between elegantly wide and overwhelmingly baggy. If the fabric is billowing out at the sides or creating excessive volume, it's too much. Look for pants that skim your body from hip to hem without clinging. Another mistake is ignoring the rise. Low-rise, wide leg pants can make your torso look long and your legs look short, which isn't flattering at 50 plus. A high or mid-rise pant elongates your legs and smooths your midsection. It's a small detail that makes a huge difference. And here's one that surprises people. Wearing the wrong underwear. Yes, really. Visible panty lines or bulky undergarments ruin the clean line of wide leg pants. Seamless underwear is your friend here. Now, let's talk about choosing the right wide leg pants for your specific body type. Because not all wide leg pants are created equal. If you're petite, look for cropped wide leg pants that hit at the ankle. This prevents the fabric from overwhelming your frame. Pair them with heels or pointed flats to add height. If you're curvy, choose pants with a flat front and a slightly structured fabric. This creates a smooth line through the hips and thighs. Avoid overly stiff fabrics that add bulk. If you're tall, you have more flexibility. Full-length wide leg pants look stunning on you. Just make sure they're hemmed properly so they don't puddle at your feet. And if you carry weight in your midsection, high-waisted wide leg pants with a flat front are incredibly flattering. They smooth everything out and create a long, elegant line from waist to ankle. The key is trying different styles and being honest about what makes you feel confident. Not every pair will work, and that's okay. Here's something important I want you to remember. Wearing wide leg pants isn't about following a trend. It's about finding a style that gives you comfort, elegance, and confidence all at once. At 50 plus, you've earned the right to wear what makes you feel good. And when you understand how to balance your outfit, how to choose the right fit, and how to style with intention, wide leg pants become one of the most versatile pieces in your wardrobe. They work for casual coffee dates, elegant dinners, travel days, even professional settings. One pair of well-fitted wide leg pants styled different ways can take you through an entire week. But none of this matters if you don't feel confident wearing them. So start small. Try one pair in a neutral color like navy, black, or cream. Style it with a fitted top you already love. Wear them around the house first if you need to. Get comfortable with how they move and feel. Because once you experience how effortless and chic they can be, you'll wonder why you waited so long. Let's bring this all together. The mistake most women over 50 make with wide leg pants is pairing them with oversized, loose tops that create volume everywhere. But now you know better. Balance is everything. Fitted tops, tucked blouses, cropped styles, structured jackets. These are your tools for creating a polished, elegant silhouette. Pay attention to the length. Make sure your pants graze your shoes or hit at the ankle. Choose fabrics that flow and drape beautifully. Pick the right rise for your body. And don't forget your shoes. A little height or a pointed toe goes a long way. Wide leg pants aren't complicated. They just require intention. When you style them correctly, they become incredibly flattering. endlessly versatile, and honestly, one of the most comfortable things you'll ever wear. You don't need permission to look amazing at 50 plus. You don't need to be taller, thinner, or younger. You just need to understand what works for your body and dress with confidence. So go ahead, pull out those wide leg pants you weren't sure about. Try them with a fitted top. Tuck it in, add the right shoes, and see what happens. Because once you fix this one mistake, everything changes. You'll feel more put together, more confident, and yes, more stylish than you have in years. And if you found this helpful, I'd love to know, what's your biggest styling challenge right now? Drop it in the comments below.